Today I'm going to walk through the integration between our Superior Fireworks Show Builder and the Ignite firing system. Now, if you haven't had a chance to play around with the Show Builder yet, you'll find that on our website at superiorfireworks.com. And it's this 3D visualization technology that lets you not only look at the performance of individual items, but build entire fireworks shows and then see it all rendered together in real time. And this just adds so much to the fireworks shopping and planning and show building experience. And the team behind it has been just continually working on new features. And this one today has got to be one of my favorite. I think this integration with Ignite really takes the whole thing to a new level. And I can't wait to dive in with you and see what this is all about. So let's take a look. So I'm starting out on our Show Builder catalog page, and this gives you a full list of every item that we carry that is currently supported by the Show Builder. You can get to this a couple of different ways. If you're browsing from your desktop or laptop, up at the top of the page, you'll see a menu that includes a Show Builder link. If you're on mobile, you'll want to head down to the bottom of the page. There's a resources menu. You can expand and get to the Show Builder that way. But you'll also see, as you're shopping the website, the product listings will include a button for a 3D preview and add to show. And once you start adding items to your show, you'll have the option to open the Show Builder from there. So you can really get to this from anywhere on the website. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and start adding items to my show, and we'll get right in. All right, and now I'm ready to open up our Show Builder. And from there, it's really easy to take advantage of the Ignite integration by going to your show settings and turning on electronic firing. The Show Builder determines right away how many Ignite modules you need and what kind. In this case, because we have a show with 21 cues firing from a single position, it says that we can use an I-36. But if you already have specific hardware that you want to use, you can go back into the show settings and say, I have my own equipment. In this case, maybe we have two I-18s. And I'll save that. And this will allow the Show Builder to validate your show design against that specific equipment. So now it's showing that we're using two I-18s. Now, when electronic firing is enabled, you can simply click Get Ignite Show Code to generate a 4-character show code that you can enter into the Ignite app to import and shoot your show. And as you continue refining your show, moving things around, you can come back and hit sync anytime to make sure it stays updated in the app. Then before you head out into the field, you're going to want to print a module report, which is a detailed guide for connecting everything for your show. It gives you a rundown of each module, its position in the show, and which items plug into each cue. Now, we recently took our team out and shot several fireworks shows using exactly this method. We designed shows using the Show Builder. We used the Ignite integration. We connected everything out in the field using Ignite modules and fired them off. And it was incredibly easy to do. It was so fun seeing everything come together and how well these visualizations matched the actual show we got in the field. So we know this is something you're going to love using as well. So get in there, play around, start building your own show, let your creativity run wild and just see what's possible. You know, if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. Like I said, we've been using this ourselves, so we'll be happy to help. And again, you'll find all of this on our website. It's at superiorfireworks.com.